Hey everybody, Boris, BK Forex. Welcome to the crosses section for November 6th and November 10th of 2017. And as the week starts, of course, the big focus is going to be on the COM dollars. And to me, the favorite relative strength trade is going to be odd cat to the downside. You can take a look at the technicals just 1 second. Resistance at 99, support at 97, which looks like it really wants to get down there. And that is, I think, one of the more interesting momentum trades as the week starts, on the idea here that the RBA is going to be as dovish as possible. And Caddy remains well bid because oil is at 55. Now, the CAD strength trade is also interestingly expressed, I think, through CAD yen. This assumes basically yen has finally found some footing above the 14. If we can get a run through the 1450s towards the 1500, the CAD is going to stay stationary, so it's going to pull CAD yen up towards, oops, I actually wrote this wrong. Resistance should be 90 and support should be 88. My bad. So a run towards a 90, very much possible. And the last trade idea actually is a fade idea in some ways. I think that the euro looks relatively weaker to the pound, even though, of course, the pound got very badly hammered this week on the BOE announcement. Ultimately, though, UK rates are higher, European rates are going nowhere, and this move towards 90 shows a failure, I think, at a lower high. So let's take a look at the charts here and see exactly what I'm seeing. We'll start with the euro pound as we look. So my argument here is that, first of all, obviously, euro pound has a lower high failure over here. But more importantly, if we don't get past through here, this is why it's a relatively low risk trade here. If we don't get past through here, I think it's another lower failure here that can take us all the way down towards the 88 level on the euro pound. So an interesting sell against a failure here could be a small risk trade that makes a lot of sense. CAD yen is a trade to the other side. Support here at 88 and the move towards 90, very possible. Now this obviously assumes we can hold the 14, we can run towards the 1450. CAD stays the same, doesn't really move much, and we get a yen pull. And this is one of the better yen crosses right now as CAD sort of enjoys relative strength in the market. So the support here at 88 with a move towards 90, quite possible, start of the week. And then the last trade, very, very clear momentum trade here. Odd cat, look at this massive break today. This is a huge break. Typically, when you have these kind of huge move candles, especially off consolidation, and you can take a look at this, in the past analog. Generally, you get a continuation move. So here you have a little bit of consolidation, big move, continuation move over here. You get consolidation moves over here, big candles moves over here, not quite ending on the highs of the day, but still some consolidation. Here's a little bit of consolidation, big candle move down, still continuation. I don't know how much continuation we have, but we certainly have potential here for 97, essentially on dovish RBA. So there is scope here for another maybe 60, 70 points. It's a low volatility trade, so of course it's going to be a slow moving trade, but it has potential next week as a move to the downside. Those are the best cross ideas as we enter into the week. I wish you guys the best of luck, the best of trading. Boris, over and out.